The value that SICK sees in partnering with the Barrett CTI really stems from our foundation at SICK, where back 70 plus years ago, Dr. Irwin Sick founded SICK, and it was based on a foundation of innovation. And what we see here with the Barrett CTI is that similar, very aligned foundational part of innovation. The most exciting thing working with Humber for SICK is creating passion and vision with the students. I highly valued my academic development, and I loved when industry people came in, talked to us, shared some of the things going on in the industry, and I'm hoping that our organization, both people from Canada as well as Germany, can help invigorate that passion here at Humber so we can continue to build that. The workforce is continually changing, and we as business leaders understand that. Partnering with Humber also allows us to not only build up the necessary competencies aligned with those emerging markets, we also get to listen to and pay attention to the vision that these students have, who will be our future leaders and also formulate our future path.